Hello guys, today I have come up with another video. So today we will be solving one real world scenario which you guys would be finding very often in your day-to-day uh, data analyst role, which is that you have a data source and in there some of the data are missing which is present in another data source. So you have to combine that in Tableau, and that is usually a very basic thing or easy thing you can say, but when you are doing it in the real time you will face a lot of difficulties. So this video will help you a lot. It will act as a guide for you and guide you step by step to each process. So today I have two data sets. One data set is this one, which is car sales data. So let us have a look at the car sales data. What this data set is about. So in this data we have data purchase, age, name of the person. So these are random data that I have generated. Gender of the person, car name, brand of the car, and type of the car, and the price at which it was bought. Okay, so this is the data, and as you can see that in this there are some missing values, which is 6th of March to 19th of March. Okay, and this data is present in this Excel file. You can see the same build date, age, name, gender, car type, and price is there, and this data is containing number from 6th of March to 19th of March, which is not present in the first data source, which is our SQL Server data source. So let us now move to Tableau and try to solve it. So we will first connect to our SQL Server database. So I have already given the credentials over here and given the authentication as use Windows authentication preferred, and I'll just click on sign in and it'll let me in. So I have established a connection with my dev database in the SQL Server. This is the SQL Server name. This is the database name, and these are the tables that are available in this database. I am interested in the car sales data, so I will drag this. This is the table. I'm dragging it into the data source pane. Yeah, so this is the data that we were seeing in the SQL Server table, and when I am going into the sheet level, this is a typical Tableau interface that we are seeing. Now I have to add another data source here. I'll click on add button, then click on Microsoft Excel, go to our car sales missing data, click open. Okay, so we have our car sales data as well. Now we have to do a left join. Why? Because we need the all the data from car sales data and only the matching records from the second data, that is car sales missing data. That is why it is creating a left join scenario over here, which is a real world application of left join. The joins you were studying in SQL that are getting implemented here in Tableau. Okay, so this is the real time implementation of join. Okay, so I'll drag this table, or better I'll do a left join. Okay, I double click on car sales data, then drag the sheet. It's giving me a warning that cross database joins can move data outside of Tableau. So make sure you are using a trust database. Since this is an Excel file present only in our desktop or in our device, so there is no issue. We don't have to be worrying about it. But in case there is another database, like this is SQL Server, in case you are connecting with the like SharePoint dataset or Salesforce, then you need to be cautious with that. That data source has to be inside your company or inside your client only. It should not be outside of that environment, because when we are doing cross database joins, then data, there is a possibility that data can move outside of Tableau. Okay, so that is why we have to be very serious about data privacy over here, because we are working with the clients. Okay, so now it is giving me four options. So I'll prefer left join, and I will choose data purchase over here and similar field date over here. Okay. So now there is a problem. What is that problem? If I hover over here, it is saying type mismatch between join fields because car sales data dot data purchase is of date and time and sheet 1 date is of date. So there is a mismatch of data type. That is why it is not able to show or preview us the total data. So it's not able to complete the left join over here. But however, we can create our charts or visualizations according to that. So we'll take care of that later. But first, let us try to show how this join has been performed. So I will drag the data purchase to rows. We are getting a null value over here. I don't know why, because there are no null values present in the data source. We'll need to look at this. If you know, you can comment in the comment section why it is showing. And it is showing date type. I can change it over here, but it will not impact in the data source level. You need to do the change in the data source level, that is in here. In SQL table you have to write alter statement which will change this data type, then we will be able to resolve this error. Right now we are only concerned about creating the data set. Okay, so this is the data purchase. Now if I will drag the name column from car sales data, you can see you are getting the name values, but you are getting null values for 6th of March to 19th of March. Okay. Similarly, if I drag the name from second data source, okay, so you are getting only the value for 6th of March to 9th of March. Rest we are getting null values. Okay. So to fix this, what we can do is we can write a calculated field. Okay. So this will be like if it is null, then take the values. If it is not null, then take the values from table 1 column. Otherwise, you take the values from table 2 column. So we can give this name as c dot name and write the calculated field as if not is null, and it will take the field from first data source or left data source. Then if this is not null, then give me this field only. Okay, else give me the field from second data source, which is this one. And our calculation is valid. Click on OK and drag this. So you can see we are getting all the values in a single column. Likewise, I can create another calculate field to show you for the let us show the price, which is we have done one dimension. Let us do one measure as well. C dot price, and same calculate field we will write if not is null, then else give me the column from second field. And we need to drag it to the rows, change it to discrete. Now this single field is giving us the data of entire all the values. Okay, so now we have created. Let us now try to solve this issue. So like we need to write a alter statement over here, alter column, sorry, alter table name, that is car sales data, alter column, date of purchase to date. It is in date time. You can see over date time and null. I will convert it to date so that it will match with the data type of the second data source. And I will click on refresh and click on columns. My data type has been changed. Then I will go to Tableau, then refresh it over here. Now my error has gone and I'm able to see the updated data. You can see wherever there is no match, it is giving null. Wherever it is matching, it is giving the matching records. And you can create any kind of charts or data cross tab or table using this calculated field, which will take the values from both the tables and show you the result. Thank you for watching this video. If you have watched till now, please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I will be bringing more such real-time scenarios which you will be facing when you will be working as a data analyst or Tableau developer or SQL developer or data engineer. Okay, so thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Please take care.